Hello friend, welcome to TechBig Unity channel. Uh, Today I will explain the top 10 ASP.NET MVC interview question answer. So I have 10 plus experience in ASP.NET developer. So I work multiple MNC company. So you can see the video. I, the first question: define MVC partial view. I think it's a multiple ways. What is partial view? The MVC partial view render a portion of view content. This help in reducing the code. That's a partial view allow rendering a view within the parent view. Actually, if I telling you the in partial view, its concept is did not require any start page. So if I telling you the one example, in our UI section, it's required header part and footer part. So that purpose we are creating a partial view. This view include in our application in our project. So actually these things or this purpose we are using purpose partial view. Okay. Next question is what is the difference between view result and action result? So view result is divided derived from abstract result class and action result is an abstract class. Action result is good when you are dynamically derived different types of view. The derived class of action and file stream result, view result and JSON result. Okay. Next question. Tell us the brief of the area in MVC. Now, the area in MVC helps to integrate with the other area rendered by the other app. Helps organize views, control and models in different function sets and suitable for unit testing. Actually, by telling you the so in module wise, when we are it's a big application or medium application, so in our project, so we just module wise we just separate these things. It's a seller part, it's a buyer part, it's admin part, like this. To that purpose we are using area. Okay. Next question. What is MVC scaffolding? It's a very important question. Every in my interview section, every interviewer tell me what is scaffolding. Scaffolding is a code generation framework for ASP.NET Web apps. We use scaffolding when we want to quickly add code that integrate with the data operation in our project. Okay, this includes entity-based template, filter template, and file field-based template. These are called scaffolding template. They allow build a functional data driven website quickly. Actually, this is scaffolding is code generation technique. So it's an you can put when you are using scaffolding, then it's automatically put at generated inside updated things. All these things are generated. So this concept, this scenario we are called scaffolding, MVC scaffolding. Okay, next question. How will you mention the session in MVC? Multiple way, three possible way we are handling the session MVC application. One is view data, team data, and view web data. Okay. So next question is what is the use of action filter in MVC? Action filter are used for executing the logic while MVC action is executed. Uh, no. Furthermore, action filter permit the implementation of pre and post processing logic and action method. Basically, when we are need to execute any action, pre and posting, pre and post processing. So we need to some logic execute these things. For that purpose, we are using action filter. Okay. Next question. What is TempData in MVC? TempData can be defined as a dictionary object used for storing data for a short period of time. This is the MVC TempData dictionary class which acts as a controller based class instant property. TempData has the ability to preserve data for HTTP requests. Basically, when we need to just store the data, and this data send to one controller to another controller, mm, that purpose or that time we are using TempData. Okay. Next question. Define output caching in MVC. What is output caching in MVC? Output caching is an approach used for improving the performance of an MVC application. It is used for enabling its user to cache the data sent by the controller method so that the data used earlier does not get generated each time while invoking the same controller method. It is an advantage to use output caching with the cut down database server round trip, minimize server round trip. So basically, in our MVC application, multiple controller is there, right? So when end user come to the suppose come to the about us page, okay. So for some time back again, end user come to the about us page. So when we are using the caching, so this data is just automatically loaded. It is not required to go to the again the database. Okay. This concept we are using, we are called caching. Define default route in MVC. Now, default route of project template in MVC includes a generic route that makes use the use of the given URL. So, there are three tags statement. Okay. One first is controller slash, second is action, and then ID. Okay. Next question. Define the concept of filter in MVC. There are suitable where I want to implement some logic either prior of the execution of the action method or right after it. In that scenario, the action filter are used. Filter are used to determine the logic used for executing before or after the action method gets executed. Action method makes use of the action filter as an attribute. Uh, Basically, filter is used for multiple purpose. So if I tell you the example, uh, it's a login purpose we are using filter is authorization filter, authentication filter, authorization filter. So error purpose we are when we are in our application we are using exception filter. So globally any error come in our application then globally it's a error is getting the error and then this error goes to the text file or stored to in database. And there is a result filter and action filter is there. Action filter is basically post pre and post action means in any action is executed we need to execute the some business logic before or after executing the action. To that purpose we are using action filter. Okay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or share my channel. Thank you.